check out in the laundry room. Let's go. Look at this. It's so cool. What the? Wait, what? A package. Ooh. Let's go set this up. Guys, we have officially acquired our package. Let's go see this now. For our new glasses. Ooh. Good thing we're in Florida and we have a good view. Okay, so right here we have a contact, some 50% off codes and gift cards. Here we have our cleaning pouch or cleansing cloth plus glasses pouch. Here's the glasses. Let's put these on. Let's test it. It's so good. Fabulous, give me 14 of them right now. Puts like a purple tint on you and everything. So if you want to buy these, the link is down below. And make sure to use your 50% off code, NGQJ50. The link is in the description. And the style code is K58693. And kid glasses, $23.99. Cop these in the link below. And thanks, Fermo, for sponsoring this video.